guys and gals, it's Malcolm Godwin again with Chattanooga Home Inspector. Today we got Nick Bosco with the Farmers Insurance. Nick, thanks for being here. Today Nick's going to help us talk about how to repair damaged siding. Typically what we would recommend is sealing it up with like exterior grade silicone so no water can get behind it. Don't use duct tape, that's not an approved fix. But Nick has a complete better idea of how to replace or how to repair damaged siding. Tell us about it, Nick.
Yeah, so it's not really repairing it, it's really just coverage to help protect your investment. So it's what Farmers calls, it's called limited matching. And the way it works is, say you have vinyl siding and it's been 15, 20 years since you had to put on or you bought the house, and a hailstorm comes through and it punches a hole in one piece of vinyl siding. Well, they don't make that siding anymore. So what the limited matching coverage does is it allows you coverage to go ahead and replace an entire side with brand new siding so that it's not something that looks like an eyesore. So it really helps protect your investment in that way. So again, it's called limited matching. Not every insurance company has it, but it's something that can really help you out.
That's something that I didn't even know about. Instead of trying to repair it or replace it where you got one new piece with a bunch of weather stuff, you got a whole new side now.
Exactly, yeah.
That's cool. And what's it called again?
Limited matching, yeah.
Cool. So thank you for coming in. Thank you guys for your time. For more information, check out the websites below. Nick's phone number also.
You can reach my office at 423-243-3200. We'd love to help you out.
Cool. And thank you guys. Please, as always, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips from the pros.